This is the final video to fix your regular Fortnite crashing problems on Windows forever. Do you feel frustrated because your game keeps closing or freezing right in the middle of the big match? This annoying issue happens because your computer files get messy or your settings fight with the game software. Most other guides you find on YouTube or social media are way too long and make things feel much harder than they actually are. I have 4 proven methods to share with you today that solve these crashes for good. I guarantee that at least one of these solutions will work for you, even if your crashing problem feels impossible to fix right now. You should pause this video right now to try these fixes one by one, or take screenshots so you do not miss a single thing. Here at Rexus, we make sure you get back to your favorite games without any more stress or wasted time. Do not skip any part, because each step is very important for your PC health. Watch the instructions closely and follow the method step by step as they show on the screen right now.